Come back here, you bucket of bolts! Now that this wash is rent-free and grease-free, who's next?
I've just got to get this bubbly beard off my face.
Oh, okay. Sure. You go ahead. I'll go rust.
Next.
Thanks. Time to give this bubble beard a trim.
Oh, I can't wait anymore. I have to get this rust off.
Percy, look out!
Sorry, Mia. I couldn't wait.
What was that?
Oh, no. I still have rust. And I'm covered in rubber duckies? Okay, that's not weird. Ah! Ah! Too many rubber duckies!
Seriously? Well, at least it smells like strawberries. Whoa!
Whoa! Get these ducks off me!
I'm coming, Percy!
I guess this is what you were trying to warn me about all along, huh? My creativity made a fun art project, but a bad train wash.
Don't worry, Sandy. We still have time to make this right.
Not we, you. I didn't listen to you because I thought your ideas weren't creative. But they were just a different kind of creative. Take the lead, Carly. Get out there and make some functional art.
Awesome! When making a creation, you need some motivation and a little problem to be solved. No matter what the hitch is, your build can always fix it. If what you make can help the job get done, you've got to focus on the function.
Yeah.
Focus on the function.
Yeah!
A tunnel pass with a window glass will help the whole thing run. And a soapy splash of bubble bath will help the job get done. 'Cause you make a thing worth making when you focus on function. Here it is, a creatively functional train wash.
Ooh.
It's so boring.
Yeah, but does it wash?
That's exactly what it was created to do. Give it a try.
Yeah! Woohoo! Bye-bye, Rusty Bottom. Hello, Shine.
I hope this works.
Ha! I feel like a brand new engine.
My beard is gone. It's finally gone.
Woo! Thank you, Carly and Sandy.
Well, Carly, the reviews are in. Your design for the train wash was way better than mine.
But, do you have any more of those rubber duckies? There were so many, it was kind of scary, but they were also kind of fun.
Yeah, and we can't let Diesel be the only one to get a turn on that ramp. That looked awesome. It was pretty awesome.
And those rainbow strawberry suds? Not only did they get me clean, they made me feel something because they smelled so lovely. Now I'm clean from this soap, but I'm just clean. Wait a sec. You mean you miss some of the fun?
But you don't want it to be only fun and not functional? Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
This project needs your creative fun.
And your creative function.
And if we make those two things work together, it'll be an amazing combination. Just like us.
Meet me at the junction where we put the fun in function. It's the place where all the best ideas meet. 'Cause when we work together, all the best gets better. It's our different points of view that make this friendship so complete. We don't need a whistle or a bell to make a thing that functions well. But a proper duck or more than one could make this train wash twice as fun.
We need some soap, but you were smart to add some rainbow bubble art. And since this brush will buff and shine, I think a grease bath would be fine.
Meet me at the junction where we put the fun in function. It's the place where all the best ideas meet.
I love the smell of berry soap.
I love melon. Let's do both.
I love the coaster, yes I do.
We'll build one for both of you. Meet you at the junction where we put the fun in function. It's the place where all the best ideas meet. 'Cause when we work together, all the best gets better. It's our different points of view that make our friendship so complete. A friendship that's worth making.
Means giving and means taking. I love your flair.
I love that choice, but it needed your creative voice.
All right, everyone, get ready to get rainbowed and clean and rubber duckied and also clean, because this brand new totally improved train wash does all that and more.
It's the best of both worlds. We've got a pre-rinse soaker,
Bubbles, big rubber duckies, and rainbow soap that really cleans. It's fun and function.
Yeah!
Train tap!
Yeah!
I can't wait
The dogs are back! Do this!
I'm gonna be the very first one through the new train wash. Diesel, you know, maybe someone else should take the first turn.
or really choose someone.
That's right, me and myself.
Diesel? Maybe someone who designed and created this fabulously fun train wash.
Who? Us? Aw, you guys are super sweet.
I guess you two do deserve to go through first. Okay, then I'm gonna be the third one through.
You thinking what I'm thinking, Carly?
I sure am, Sandy. Let's have some fun.
And get totally clean.
Two different things that work great together.
Just like us. Let's